Hello friends, this is the list of use cases which we plan to cover as part of this video series. Wherever I have put tick mark, those are the ones which I have already completed in my previous videos. The last 4 or 5 videos I have discussed about using the right prompts to get summary or insights from the company con calls. So this video will be focused more on the knowledge part of what the investor does to uh, enhance his investing knowledge or trading knowledge. So we will see under funders letters, we will see Howard Marks memo. That is one memo which I love to read and enlighten myself. But one main challenge is that letter is very difficult to understand, that I have to read twice before I can make out what Mr. Howard Marks says. So how I plan to use this GenAI for that is, I'll be writing a prompt saying that this is the recent memo. Provide me a structured summary in a simple, easy to understand format. I told you, right? It's a bit difficult for me to understand what he says. So I mentioned that simple and easy to understand format. Avoid all jargons and keep it simple for understanding of a retail investor. Then I'm telling to use the headings, subheadings, tables where necessary, all that. And this can be optional one, but just to guide the model on what to look for, I'm just telling focus on investment strategies, market perspectives, risk management strategies, and behavioral finance. Howard Marks memo is really great or helpful to understand about market or human behavior and so on. So this is the prompt which I'm going to use. So let me try out that. I copy this prompt, go to my ChatGPT window, and I'm going to upload the latest memo which has come by in February. Howard Marks memo, February 2025. Okay, it's uploaded. Let me slightly. Okay. So it has picked up the main headings from that memo, limited management exercises, key points and takeaways for investors. Because I requested, do you remember like what are the takeaways for investors? So it is giving investor tip and so on. So it has summarized maybe this may, and also table, like as I told, wherever a table is required. So the entire summary above, whatever you see, it is tabulated here. So how I would prefer to use this, to read this first, because as I told, I take twice to read and understand Howard Marks memo. I can now read these notes first, then go to the memo so that I can understand it better. And this I would be copying in a Word file for future reference or future reread. So this example, I summarize the entire content whatever I uploaded. In the next video, we'll see a slightly modified version where I would request for a summary of only part of the content. So we'll catch up in the next video. Till then, bye.